The Infinite Panstick from Quadpack is your new must-have refillable panstick for solid formulations, offering next-level sustainability, versatility, and usability for beauty brands. Acceleration in interest and uptake of solid formulations has made stick packaging so relevant in recent times. Pansticks like the Infinite Panstick are great for products such as sunscreen, foundations, and fragrances when in solid format, an increasingly popular approach for beauty brands responding to the movement of waterless beauty. A common problem with pansticks is, however, their recyclability. Most of them are made with non-recyclable materials as ABS and feature POM, a chemical product which is harmful. On the other hand, Infinite Panstick is made of 100% PP, so it's ready to be recycled after use. It also is designed with a refill system that enables consumers to remove and replace the cartridge after use, continuing to reuse the rest of the components. The Infinite Panstick presents all these benefits in addition to the fantastic on-the-go portability achieved through a panstick design while delivering a touchless direct application. The Infinite Panstick is now available in 4.5, 10 and 15 grams capacity, in both versions top and bottom filling, exclusively from Quadpack. To learn more about Infinite Panstick, please contact your local sales representative or email us at hello@quadpack.com.